So what is happening in this video? Why are these guys hurting this tree? Actually, they don't. This is a cork oak tree, or a Quercus suber. That's the scientific name for this tree. This tree's bark is used for making wine corks. And in this video you can see the whole process, how they do it. All the barks from these trees are harvested with these special axes, and they say that the technique of harvesting this is very complicated and you need years to learn it. So all the guys that are these cork bark harvesters are very professional. Almost all of the cork is produced in Portugal and some of it in Spain. And these trees are pretty crazy. They live for around 200 years. For the first harvest, you have to wait almost 25 years. And even then, that first cork that you harvest is called virgin cork. And it is not really suited for making wine corks because it's too rough, not smooth enough, and it wouldn't seal that well for wine corks. And after that, I think they start to be very high quality corks after like 40 years. And then the cork bark can be harvested in every 9 years. And very important, this actually does not harm the tree at all. If you harvest the bark, the bark grows even faster, and the trees can live for a long time. So it's a very sustainable process. Also, a very important perspective is the fact that not a single piece of bark is wasted. As you can see here, when they cut out the corks, for the main corks for the high quality wine corks, the leftover piece is ground up and they produce these composite corks that are also used in wine bottles. Also, a lot is used in champagne corks and all sorts of other cork products like cork boards and stuff like that.